Hi, everyone. My name is Danielle Gatti Palumbo. I'm currently a clinical pharmacist as well as a RhAPP faculty member and RhAPP board member. And today we're going over some frequently asked questions. Our question here is, what is the mechanism of action of methotrexate? So methotrexate is a folate antimetabolite that inhibits DNA synthesis, repair, as well as cellular replication. It binds to and inhibits dihydrofolate reductase, or DHFR, and inhibits the formation of reduced folate, which is why we give folic acid to people that are on methotrexate. It also inhibits TYMS, resulting in the inhibition of purine and thymidylate acid synthesis, which basically means that it decreases and inhibits the synthesis of DNA and RNA. It also blocks the communication between dendritic cells and T cells, thereby decreasing inflammation. And methotrexate also has anti-inflammatory effects by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines and increasing adenosine at the sites of inflammation, thereby inhibiting neutrophil function and adhesion, which decreases inflammation. And methotrexate also increases cell apoptosis. I hope that answered your question, and for more information, please visit us at rhap.org.